Travel here or there, the Kouga region is your relaxation destination. Swim in the deep blue oceans or gallop on glorious beaches draped in golden sunsets. Taste honey shaped by decades. Come see eagles soar or sink them at our links. Delight in local cuisine or cheers to the good times. Go where the roads aren't traveled and discover stories waiting to be told. Surf the waves of bliss or explore the colorful corals of the Indian Ocean. Let your air down at our famous 4x4 trails or sneak a peek through the Bergvenster. With so much to offer, the Kouga region is your place of never-ending discovery. Come open a world of endless wonder and discover Kouga.